Again, the hedge fund, very large hedge fund, really that's come out of nowhere over, let's call it, the last year.
Yeah.
Incredible performance. I can now, again, the firm itself is not commenting. Its outside PR spokesman is not commenting, but people familiar with the situation tell me that they have exited all of their public investments at Situational Awareness, and they've done it through one enormous trade, essentially. Both the longs and the short book, all to one, what has to be a giant hedge fund. I don't know. I have an idea of who it might be, but I'm not going to say because I don't have it confirmed. But it's a very small list, of course, of hedge funds that could take on a portfolio of this size. It was roughly, I'm told, 2/3 of the assets under management at Situational Awareness were public equities, both that he owned on the long side and that also he was shorting.
Korean stuff?
Yeah, including all that. Now, private investment's still a significant part of the assets as well, perhaps some $7 to $8 billion in private investments. Situational Awareness will go on. But again, my understanding is that it is now no longer a public equity investing firm, at least not now. So that is the understanding I have right now, guys, in terms of where things stand. One buyer, the entire book. I thought there was big trades to come this morning, but apparently this may have been done overnight into the early hours
that's the case,
this
the
morning.
one that I thought was hurt the most, that I think had the most potential with the best quarter, was Bloom Energy. It's not up nearly as much. If what you said is true, EE goes much higher. It was really a great quarter. This non-combustible power for data centers, really remarkable story. Really remarkable.
What you did is a mad dash. Bloom Energy you're talking about.
Yeah, I think Bloom Energy is the one that this is, again, when you're watching it, you're saying, okay, this stock is falling apart, and I'm reading the conference call, and it's just unimaginable to me. Well, it's not going to. The falling apart was because of situation. And all the copycats, David, everyone knew what he was doing, and everyone was so excited about it. You come in the morning, hey, did you hear? He's buying, DonaldDuck.com. Oh, well, let's get some of that. Well, I mean, it was like that.
With the gains that he had, if you weren't levered, you were fine. I mean, obviously you suffered a painful month, levered. But that said, you gotta figure out your risk. Markets, as we know, that is the one benefit to perhaps having been around for a while and seen some of these things. But again, people familiar with the situation tell me public book of investments now has been moved.
Wow, that's a really big call.
Whatever discount. Don't know what those are going to look like in terms of returns, but he's still a very significant player in the private markets. And nothing says, given the success he had, that he isn't going to be able to go out there and raise more money at some point as well, Jim.